What is up, y'all boys? So like part 2 of the video, it's been about 2 weeks. Don't know when I made that first half of the video, it's been so long. But as you guys can see, it is finally gonna be in. So you know what that means. Video's probably gonna be out probably Monday, or just depending on what time this gets here. You know, they be saying Sunday, then that bitch be coming Monday, but you know, hopefully it comes Sunday, you know, early, and it's not, you know, hot, you know, or rainy, because every time I have to work on my car, whether it be vacuuming it out or car part, anything, it's always raining. So hopefully it doesn't rain, and we can install it and I can have the video out for you guys. But yeah, I did want to show you guys. Wait, what is that? Oh, I don't know why it says that, but subscribe or you slow, so I don't know. But right now it is in Arizona. So hopefully it will make it over to Florida and we can get this bad boy on. So yeah, that's it for today. But yeah, I'm really excited. It's been like almost, hold on, let me see. Peep the PC. Hold on, let me just check this real quick. So I ordered it March 7th. So about 2 weeks. No. Yeah, something like that. But yeah, about 2 weeks. It'll be here. I told y'all boys I'll order it. Y'all will be, and I'll probably go live when I'm putting it on. So if you are loyal in the OG why did I say OG customers? Y'all aren't customers. Y'all are subscribers, but you're not subscribed. So are you really a subscriber? I don't know. But yeah. Anyways, I'll be going live. I know you guys won't know, but hopefully you guys tuned in. I know Clips will be there. He's always in my lives. I know Dylan will be there. I really appreciate you guys tuning into the live. It really does help out, as well as watching this video. So I know it still is the beginning of this video. So thank you, and please watch the rest of the video for a mid banger. Nothing crazy, but it's a good video, so I would stay. Also, this was $400. So this bad boy was $407. So you know what that means. I'm gonna need y'all to watch this whole video, watch the ads, don't skip them, you know, all that good stuff. But yeah, hopefully I don't need that filter. So that's $30. But if I do, I'll use it. If not, I'll probably return it, get that back. But yeah, that's the intake I'm getting. It is the JLT/S&B intake for Hellcat, Redeye, Demon, Superstock, all that good stuff. So yeah, as well as the wrap for the filter. I am a little bit sick right now, sorry y'all. Having that vapor rub, y'all. As y'all know, this shit fixes everything. Y'all can go get y'all a little sniff. Hell yeah. But on a serious note, this video is probably not in the right order. Just want to let you guys know that now. You've probably seen. But this is just a kind of like rough draft for when I do post it on my main channel. So enjoy. Coming in hot in the chat. Look who it is. She stole my damn Hellcat. Can y'all believe that, bro? She stole my damn Hellcat. Oh, no, I bet y'all like that. She liked it too. That's why she stole it. What is going on, everybody? Editing this video now. Just want to say I appreciate all the members. If you're hearing this, I really appreciate you. That means that you made it to the end of the video. You might have heard me in the video say this was back in March. I'm finally having some time now and stuff like that to go back and edit how I want to my videos. So content from March till now, you see that it's December now, so I got a couple of videos gonna be releasing probably every week, so probably about at least one a week I would try, to at least say, if not two, at least one for the members, maybe once per week, and then one or two of those videos for the members I'll combine into one long video for the channel. We're doing pretty good. Just want to give you guys a little update. We just hit 14.6, about to hit 14.7. Hopefully I can get everything rolling. I can get 15K before the end of the year, so that leaves me about 3 more weeks, but I think that's definitely doable. Getting everything locked in right now, but I just wanted to come up here and say I appreciate you guys. You guys can check out the website. I do sell the red keys. I don't know if y'all have ever seen this, but I have hoodies, shirts, everything up there. Have my videos, favorite picture of the week, stuff like that, yada, yada, yada. I'll probably go more into detail on this in my actual video, but I just want to let you guys know it is filthywood.com. You guys can shoot me if you have any questions, stuff like that. So, yeah, see you guys later. Peace out.